Hello, and welcome to this quick how-to on factory resetting Windows 10. Before we get started with the process, I need to emphasize that you absolutely need to make sure all your data is properly backed up before starting. We will be deleting all the data on the computer we'll be working with today. If you're not sure how to do that, please reach out to someone, perhaps a family member or friend, who can help you through that process and can confirm that you won't lose any data that you need to keep. With that out of the way, let's get started. We'll go to the Start menu, Settings, scroll down until we see Update and Security. Go down to Recovery, and then under Reset this PC, hit Get Started. We'll first be presented with two choices. Keep My Files will reset your computer, remove your apps and settings, but keep your documents and files. We won't be covering that option today, but if you do choose that option, please note that you should still have backups of everything before using this method. Option 2 is the Remove Everything option. Pretty self-explanatory, but I should note that it may leave some files on the device, so while it's a good way to refresh your computer, it may not be suitable if you're selling the computer or worried about someone stealing your data. Once you click Reset, you will be asked if you want to download a new copy for the install, or if you want to use the recovery data already on the device. Cloud is a better option if you have an older copy of Windows 10, or if you're concerned of corruption or some other issue with the existing installation. It is also at least 3 to 4 gigabytes of data, so if you have a slower internet connection, this may take a very long time. In this case, I am okay to use the local recovery files, so I will be choosing that option. After a short delay, hit the Reset button. Your device will then proceed with the reset and reinstall of Windows. This process may take some time, just about an hour in my case, but that time will vary with the speed of your computer. Once the reinstall is complete, you will proceed through the setup as if it is a fresh copy of Windows. Start by choosing your language, then your keyboard layout, and then after a short delay, accept the license agreement. Next, you'll need to sign into your account. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you can create one at this stage, but I'll be signing into an existing one. Hit Next, enter the password for the account, and hit Next again. When prompted, hit Create a PIN. By default, the PIN is just numbers. If you want to use a more standard password, just tick off the Include Letters and Numbers symbol, then enter your chosen password or PIN twice, and hit OK. For your privacy settings, I'm personally choosing to turn all of them off, but that's entirely up to you. Next, you can customize your experience if desired. Choose whether to use an Android phone from your PC. Confirm your use of OneDrive. Decline or accept the 365 free trial. Please note that this will bill you at the end of that trial month for $99, just so you're aware. Decline or accept your trial for Microsoft Game Pass. decline or accept Cortana. And then you're pretty much all set. Wait for the final bits of the install process to complete, and you'll be greeted with your fresh desktop. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below.